Hey guys, welcome. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk all about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, today is another requested video of about the new about managing your listings on a Zazzle. That means managing your products on the Zazzle. So the new feature is there. So I'm gonna talk about this new feature, how you could use that because it's a requested video. So I'm gonna be showing you on my laptop how to exactly do it. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. We have the two Zazzle products. You could very well grab it out. The one is the Zazzle workbook kit. That's kind of like a workbook planner that will going to help you plan for your Zazzle shop, keep track of your shop, and also going to help you with the sales, with product designing, with everything. It's a PDF download. It's based on my experience and knowledge. It helped me to become pro bronze seller, and I'm working on getting to the pro silver. The link of this PDF download is in description box below. The second product we have is the Zazzle beginners kit that will going to help you get started with the Zazzle. It has a video tutorials. Now in the workbook planner you don't have the video tutorials, you only have the PDF download that's working as a planner and as a guide both. In the beginner's kit, you're getting the video tutorials and you're getting the PDF that you can very well use it. You can watch these tutorials and you can get started with your Zazzle journey, Zazzle shop. The link is also description box below. Make sure you do check it out. Anyway, guys, let's dive in. Before that, I want to let you know, guys, I'm in Bali right now. That's where you can see the very different background for me. Like you can hear the sounds of the water. You can hear the different sounds over here because I'm in the nature right now and I'm in the Bali. I'm just gonna give you a little bit tour. And this is a small pond. Let me just show you. I think it's visible. Small pond where the noise is coming, and you can see the fishes. So this is a Bali, the place where I'm living. So currently we are on the laptop. You can see this is the store. This is a dummy store that I created for the sake of Zazzle tutorials. So we're gonna go and show you the media manager for your listing for your Zazzle shop product. So we're gonna go into that. So first you have to go over to the stores after signing into your Zazzle account. Then go over to the option, the products, okay, and select that particular product from your list which you want to do the settings for media listings. I'm gonna pick up this one, okay. So I'm gonna go over to this. Just simply click over to this particular product. That's all you have to do. And then once you go over to here, you're gonna see the bunch of the option over here, the quick stats, view insights, downloads, edit to collection, edit details, more options. But we're gonna go over to the media manager because this is something new, and that's what the purpose of this video is, to show you exactly what this means and how you could use it. So I'm gonna click over to this media manager. Now you can add up to 10 images and captions to show off your products in different angles and environments. You can learn more about the practices. You can read about it. Now it may take 24 hours for your changes to take effect everywhere. Download your artwork or product photos. So this is basically, they are making it more professional for adding your own cover photos for your product. Like they are making it way more professional. Earlier it was just like a cover photo and you're just going and uploading it and that's it. But now they are making it a little bit more professional, like giving it a proper title like a media manager. And you can add up to 10 images and captions to show off your product in different angles and environments. That's pretty amazing. Like you can upload the 10 images. That's a lot of the cover pictures, and you can add the captions as well. So what you can do here, you like this one I uploaded, I think I uploaded in the last tutorial. You can check it out on my channel. So this one I uploaded, and you can add more images over here by clicking over to the option add images and then select the images from your own computer or desktop, and it will going to show up. And then you can write the captions over here. Now for this particular image I haven't written a caption, so we're gonna go and take a look at writing the captions. So I'm gonna write something over here, caption related to the artwork, or you can write it related to the ideal client, or you can write related to what that particular product will going to be used. For example, if its product is related to something gifts, like you are gifting to your dad, to your mom, gifting to your boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, whatever it is. If it is something related to that, then you could mention that. You can mention related to your ideal client, whomsoever it's concerned. You can write also about the design or the artwork that you are having. So it depends, okay? Depending on your artwork, depending on your design, or depending on the product, the caption will going to vary. I'm just giving you a basic overview over here what you could write in the captions, but again, you could be more creative. You can take the help of the chat GPT to make the things simple for you, and then you can write the proper caption over here, whether in few words or a paragraph. It depends on you. So we're gonna be writing specifically related to the artwork. Since it's a wall art print, it's not related to the gift. I mean, it could be the part of the gift, you can give it to your loved ones, but it's more related to the abstract watercolor artwork. So that's what I'm gonna be writing over here. Use of the product. If it's something that can be used for a specific reason, like if it's the food product is there, for example, if there are the cookies or something like that, then you could mention that you could use it for birthday parties, anniversaries, weddings, or like you can be more creative, right? I'm giving you the basic examples or basic things that you could write in the caption. You can write about your ideal client, whomsoever it's concerned. You can write about the artwork or the design that you're having on the product. You can write about the use of the product, how it can be used by your ideal client. You could also write about the specific details about it, like what's the purpose of this, why you have created the design, and how the artwork has been made. If you're actually making a watercolor artwork or acrylic artwork, like how it's being made and all that specific details, you can write over here. So we're gonna write a very simple one depending on the design artwork that I am having. So I'm gonna write over here yellow, green, red, watercolor, abstract, ships, art, wall. Okay, I'm going it pretty basic depending on the artwork that I'm having and depending on the product. So I'm gonna just simply just drag down, and I've written this particular caption, and I can simply close it. So here it's our caption we have written. But I'm gonna go over to this particular option over here, learn more about the best practices, like what exactly you could do, because you are getting the option to upload 10 images of your cover photos and also writing the caption. So Media Manager will transform your cover photo organization. So what exactly is the Media Manager? They've actually made it more professional so that it would be helpful for the people. So you can manage the product page medias, like you can upload up to 10 images, so you can actually go and help the manage, like which one you want to upload or which one you want to delete, or you can write the caption, you can do a bunch of the stuff over here. You can use it to tell the unique story of your product to stand out in Zazzle marketplace. Yeah, that's also the point you can write in the caption. Media Manager can be used to inspire and educate customers, stand out from the competitive products and search results, and ultimately convert casual shoppers into qualified customers. So 10 images, that's pretty interesting. Now they are giving you the example. Like this one is this, and the people is converted into this, and how it's actually looking over here. So why do cover photos matter? You can read about it. I think it makes sense. I don't need to explain in detail, but you can see the examples of the people uploading the cover photos over here, and you can take the idea from that, how exactly you want to have the mock-up image for your own cover photo. Like if it's a t-shirt, you could have a person wearing the t-shirt. This is the art, this is the socks, the card, the mugs. Using Media Manager to drive the sales. Now this is something really interesting. We're going to talk about it. The Media Manager adaptation should serve as a vehicle for creators to ultimately drive sales on Zazzle. When creating multiple media images for your listing, here are some tips to consider. You can use the Media Manager to differentiate yourself from competitive products in the marketplace. You may want to ask yourself, what makes your design special, and why should a customer purchase from your Zazzle store versus a different one? Yeah, that's amazing. Like you can very much specifically think about what makes your product unique, like why, whether it's more personal, more handmade, or more creative, or something related to your story, something related to your ideal client. Okay, you may also use Media Manager to help provide context to your design to engage and inspire prospective customers, which I think I've already covered. Media Manager images can also serve as a point to help educate potential customer about your design. You may want to merchandise your product by adding call outs and marketing language in your images to grab customers' attention. That's also you could use, like you can write the text in the mock-up images to actually educate the people what exactly its purpose is or what design it is. You can also use the opportunity to connect with the customers on a human level. So that's the thing. Now there are some best practices we could look at that. Now this one is a card. You can see how this one is looking. Now in this Hanukkah card, the card is also visible and the mock-up images is quite clear. So you have to show the primary product design. It should be clearly visible to the customer, because if your mock-up image is way more big or something random or something like that and your product images are not visible, then mock-up images doesn't gonna make any sense to your product. If the product appears in the scenes, try to thematically match the colors. Yes, the color scheme should be matching, something like that, because it shouldn't be like too vague. If you're having a black background and you're having a black background and you're having a black background and a black product, it won't be clearly visible. Okay, ensure the primary product sizing is large enough to be recognizable on a page of search results. Ensure that you have a wide variety of cover photo images and are not repeating the same view too many times. Cover photos should properly realistically display a Zazzle product as described in this particular example. Now this one is no, because the product cannot be seen clearly. You can see the mug is not clearly visible. It's kind of like there is so much light in the mock-up image, it's not visible clearly. It's not standing from the background. It's kind of like a zoomy blur image. So adding multiple products per image can cause confusion. Yes. Using existing and SEO for the creator uploaded media options to be unique and stand out in the marketplace. Product that does not match the exact base product on Zazzle for your mock-up shot. So that's also the thing. So this is a no-go because the product is not clearly visible. Licensing requirements, and you can get the free mock-up images to upload various templates and templates for you. You can download the artwork. I've already shown you how to download the artwork. And then how to upload images to your media manager. The size should be 1480 into 1480 pixels, like that should be the size. It should be the square image according to the mock-up images the Zazzle is having on their platform. It's going to take 24 hours to be there. You can write the captions as well. And you can take a look at the examples of the great cover photo to know exactly what you can have for your own products. You can see. So yeah, that's it for this media manager, guys. Hopefully you're able to understand what this media manager is. That's going to help you manage all the cover photos you're uploading for your product, and you can upload up to 10 images and have the captions and all that stuff is there. So hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think, and please guys, your comments, your questions or your feedbacks are really appreciated. Let me know if you have anything for me in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.